What's up, YouTube? Had a late day today, but I want to get a quick video in. There's not going to be much to it because there's not much to update. This is the chart I laid out yesterday. It seems to be playing out pretty well. Um, Still looking at this inverted head and shoulders here. In my eyes, it really looks like it's going to play out. We might come up here, bounce off the neckline, get a little resistance, and I believe we'll bounce through, come up, and then we'll probably come back down, test the neckline one more time before continuing up. And this is the Elliott wave count. Um, the wave 3 looks like it's going to be around the 53 to 5400 range. I think after there we'll have a correction somewhere around the 4400 range, and then continue on up to my 5500 area. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of movement within these waves. You know, there's 5 waves within 5 waves within 5 waves. But you get the idea of what I'm looking at. I just wanted to show you too. Oh, before I go any further, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment and education purposes only. But and I like to share my idea on the market and what I'm seeing. So, let's see. I wanted to show you on yesterday's video. I showed you in the 4-hour RSI, going to the 4-hour, that it was following in this channel, and I was pointing out that it was looking like it was going to dip through, but I thought it was going to pop up, and that's exactly what happened. You can see it right there. Just popped out of this channel just a little bit, continuing on up. This seems to be playing out perfectly. I believe what I'm seeing is right around in this area is probably when we'll hit the neckline, come down, and then go back up from there. But when we come down, it'll go up to retest the next line. That's when I believe we'll pull through the neckline and head up towards our 5300 range before continuing on to 55, in my opinion. Let me get rid of this. Get back to the chart over here. I also showed you yesterday this chart that this could be the ABC and then continue down, but I'm not looking for that at all anymore. I'm really pretty confident this is the way it's going to play out. And but of course, right here is where it's going to be the real test. If we don't break this 4100 range right in there, then this would probably be invalidated, and we may continue down. But like I said before, I'm really confident in this. We had a nice little run today. What was that? Probably ran up about almost 12%. That was a nice little run today. I think we're gonna consolidate here for a little while. May make another triangle and then another push up towards the trend line, towards the neckline here. I really I believe this is a good sign for us. Now, if you're familiar with Elliott wave, let me back up and show you what this line is right here. I'm going to zoom out. Whoops. I'm going to zoom out to the daily and give you a view of that line I'm looking at. Now, the one I have marked here, the 5341, 5300 area, this is a descending wedge I'm looking at. and that wave 5 will pop out of it, and that's back in here, and that's where I'm talking about the 5500 range. That may pop out of this triangle a little bit. It may come back in, and that may be some sort of bull trap. And again, it may not play out like that, but this is what I'm seeing. Let's go back to the 4-hour. And why I say that may be like a bull trap, I don't see it only correcting into here and bouncing up, but it's possible. But what is more likely to happen, in my opinion, is that we get my Fibonacci retracement out. Is that we, after that area, that we retrace back down here to probably right around this range again, the 3600 range. Let me draw that out real quick of what that would look like. Let's see. Yeah, coming back, this would end up being a big wave 1 and wave 2, and then continue on up for wave 3. If this 5 waves is a first wave, a wave 1, and then the next target, and I'll just go to what I think 3 would be. This is way too far ahead. This might not even play out like this. We don't even know if the shoulder or the neckline is gonna even break yet off of that. But it's kind of fun to look ahead and see what we might be looking at. So that would put the wave 3 right around up to the 7600 level. You can see there's some resistance over here, and that would be really interesting. And obviously there's a lot of support to get through, and I believe this 6,000 range is going to take us quite a while. There's going to be a lot of testing before we be able to break that. And again, once we get up to that range, that may be so much resistance we go all the way back down and could make a double bottom, and we could go lower. But I don't know. The more and more I'm looking at this chart, I don't want to say the bottom's in 100%, but it is very possible that the bottom's in. And that's not to say we shoot from here by any means. We could let it go back out to the daily. I don't want anyone to think I'm saying we're going to shoot up and, get all new all-time highs, but we could end up getting something like this after we pop up here, come back down, up, and this could draw out, for a long time and just gradually go up. Or, we could be looking at, after this, coming up, coming down, and just, being in a trading range for a while. And then just, long, slow progression up. But I do believe it is very possible that the bottom is in. I just wanted to, like I said, I wanted to make a quick video tonight, kind of show you guys what I'm seeing. We'll go into the 1 hour real quick, just take a look at what that looks like. Whoops. Get rid of that line. Kind of get a closer look at what's going on right now in this one and see if we can figure out what it's looking like. And yeah, it does. It looks like it's definitely forming a triangle for another move up. And an easy way to judge if that is what we're doing, make a couple lines in the triangle here. And this triangle could obviously break up or down. And we may see a little more of a correction back down to the 3,800 range before continuing up. But if it does break up from here, an easy way to measure that is just measure this flagpole right here, and you would put it where the breakout is, and that would bring us right up into the 4,250 range, which would line us right back up to where we were if it was to break up from this triangle. It's kind of watch and see. I trade a little bit on the small trades, and I don't really post videos on that. If you guys would like, maybe leave in the comments and I can show you the smaller moves I watch. But this is my, I'm kind of showing you what my swing trade has been. And if you look at my videos, you'll see where was calling the um, compound fulcrum right here, right down here. And then this dip, like, was the, pull it up here. This dip right here, I was considering to be the last bull trap before continuing up. And like I said, you can check my last video. I was calling that in this area, and I bought in. It was around 31.75 right when I was posting that video, and I've been in ever since. I've done some small trades, and like I said, I don't usually post videos on the smaller moves or whatever. I look at the bigger swing trade moves when I'm posting these videos. But again, just to reiterate that right in here, you really want to watch this neckline. And if that neckline busts, I think this is in play. No guarantees as always. Like I said, this isn't financial advice, but I'm just kind of showing you the way I'm seeing the market. So anyways, I hope this video helps and gives you an idea of what might be going on. And please like and subscribe if you want to be alerted when I post videos. And I'm going to try to post more videos more often now. Just please like and subscribe and leave a comment if there's anything you could add to help me out. Maybe help me get this channel moving and start getting some more subscribers and building on it. Like if you want some news or what else you'd like to see added on here, just let me know. Give me some suggestions, and I'll see what I can do. Other than that, I think that's about it for the night. And hope everyone's having a good night. And I'll see you soon. Thanks.